What's up, teachers? So in this mini tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a very easy and very seamless way that you can track the students and parents that come to your Meet the Teacher or open house event. Now, this system can work for you whether you are hosting it virtually or you are doing it in person. So let's get into this tutorial.
Alright teachers, so let's get ahead to this tutorial. First off, I want to say that all the tools that I'm going to be using in this tutorial are absolutely free. One of them is free for a certain amount of time, and then if you want to continue using it, you can pay for one of the subscriptions that they have available. So let's dive in. So the first thing you want to do is to type in QR code generator, right, there we go, on Google, and you will have a lot of options come up. Personally, I like to use this specific website. It's called qrcodegenerator.com. When you click it, you can get to this page. Now, you do have to sign up to eventually get your code, but the thing is that this program is completely free for 15 days. So for 15 days, you can use this program for free to create your QR codes. And if you want to continue on, they have several different plans available, which I will show you later on. So the next thing that you want to do is to put in your URL. Now you can see that there are several different options that you can have. You can put a PDF, you can put SMS, email, text, basically anything. You can put an image if you want to, maybe an image of your virtual classroom if you have one to use. So personally, I just want to go straight to the form. So the next thing you're going to need is Google Forms. You can access this for free of charge through your Drive. Now, personally, I just like to make a very simple sheet. You can make a very simple Meet the Teacher sign-in sheet, and your parents and students can sign in or sign up on them. So the way that I have personally set this up is that this is the first thing that they get to. So I will send them an email with a picture on it, having the QR code, and then once they scan the QR code, this form comes up. But in order for them to access this form, we have to make the QR code. So as you're making this form, make sure that you make it to your own specifications. You don't have to use the information that I put on there, but this is just what I would need for my classroom. Now you can also customize this form to whatever you want. Personally, I'd like to customize it for my classroom so that my students and their parents can have access to it. All right, so we are going to add a header for this. I have personally made a specific header for this. I'm going to drop it in there, and once it loads, I can click done, and then the image will appear at the top of my form. I can also customize the background of the form to whatever color of my choosing. Let's see, personally I think pink will go perfectly well with this, and then my form is done. So all I'm going to have to do is to go to settings, make sure that my settings are limited to one response. They can edit after they submit, because you know that people make mistakes, so you might want to add that into the form just to make sure that it's all good to go. Make sure it's not a quiz. Save the settings, and then you want to send. Now, because you're not sending this as an email, you are sending it as a QR code. You can shorten the code, copy the code, and then exit this page, and then you can come to your QR code generator. Then you can right click, paste your code, and the QR code generator automatically creates your QR code. Now you can customize it in various different formats. You have 3 of these formats available. These are only available for people who upgrade to the subscription plans. So I want to use this specific format. Now, like I said, you have to sign up when you click the download button. So I'm going to go straight to my own account, and I'm going to create this entire process all over again so that you can see what it looks like in a personal account. So in a personal account, you can have different options. I'm going to click website because it's a link, and then I will click next. And then I can paste in my link from my Google form and then click next. And then I can totally customize my QR code. I can make it look however I want it to look. So personally, I like to have it in kind of like an email, or should I say mail format. It kind of looks nicer. I want to align it with the form color so that there can be some connection, and then I can download it straight into my computer and have that QR code ready to go. So once it's downloaded, I can open it up. It will download into a PNG, and then boom, there you go. You can add this QR code to your email or to any other way that you are sending your parents information on how they can access your Meet the Teacher event, and they will be able to do so. I also want to quickly add that in order for your parents to be able to automatically link the form, that is the confirmation page of the form, to your website, that is your classroom website, go back to the Google Forms. You can go to the settings, go to presentation, and make sure that you paste, the code of your website. So you can say, click here to access my classroom, or however you want it to sound, like whatever confirmation message that you want them to have, and make sure that the link to your website is there so that they can click on it when they are done with the form. So you save that, and that's going to be in the form. It's going to be able to be accessed through your QR code that you generated, and your parents can have a seamless and smooth access into your classroom, and you, the teacher, will be able to know exactly who has attended your Meet the Teacher event. So I hope this little tutorial helps you guys a lot, and I hope that you are able to track your Meet the Teacher event as it goes off without a hitch, either online or in person.